Hello everyone, before introducing me, Rizky Bagus Saputra with NIM 1924045 from the Information System Study Program at UBSI Purwokerto Campus. Here, I will give my opinion about the lectures at UBSI Purwokerto. The lectures at UBSI Purwokerto are very friendly and welcoming, creating a comfortable and familiar learning atmosphere. In addition, the way they teach is very clear, easy to understand, and pleasant to listen to. So, students find it easier to absorb the subject matter. The lecturers, such as Mr. Ova or Mr. Gagil and others, give the impression of being peers who can be discussed casually, but still professionally. Nevertheless, as students, we always try to maintain good manners and respect them as teachers, and understand the importance of ethnic in interaction with elders, especially with our dedicated lecturers. Hello everyone, back with me Bagus from UBSI Purwokerto Campus. This time I will discuss about the adverb of frequency. We start from the definition. Adverb of frequency is a word of phrase that expresses how often an activity is done by someone. Phrases that we will find in adverb of frequency include daily, weekly, often, rarely, and so on. Okay, we next to the uses. This adverb is by you noticing the frequency of an event that repeat and must occur. Okay, and then we talk about the structure. Number one is adverb for frequency for verbal tense. In tense that have a verb, the adverb of frequency is placed before the main verb. For formula is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. And for the example is he always goes to school at 6 a.m. And then we have adverb of frequency in nominal tense. Nominal tense are tense that used to be am, is, are, will, and were. In this pattern, the adverb of frequency is placed after to be to show the frequency of the subject, condition, or state. For the formula is subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. For the example, we are sometimes busy in the afternoon. Okay, and we have adverb of frequency of emphasis. For emphasis, an adverb of frequency can be placed at the beginning of a sentence before the subject to highlight how often an action is performed by a person. For the formula is adverb of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate subject plus verb plus predicate plus adverb of frequency. For example is Marcia often brings coffee for everyone in the office. And the fourth is adverb of frequency in interrogative tense. To make an interrogative tense, it is common to use how often followed by an auxiliary verb is do, does, and did, the subject, and the main verb. For the formula frequency in interrogative tense is auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus predicate and question. Example, are you usually around here? Okay, for the five, we have adverb of frequency with modal verb and auxiliary verbs. When using modal verb or can, call, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verb is have, has, is, were, and where. The adverb of the frequency is placed after the modal or auxiliary verb and before the main verb to show the frequency of the action. For the formula is subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. For the example is, he can often come up with a solution to the problem. Okay, and I will solve you for the example adverb of frequency. For the one is, mom makes breakfast every morning. Every is the adverb of frequency. And then I have stands every afternoon I play badminton. Every is a adverb of frequency. And then for the third and the last, I have Firman always leave in the morning. The always is adverb of frequency. Okay, we next to the verb. Usually the verb of adverb of frequency is always, often, every, rarely, normally, and usually. Okay, we go to the subject. Adverb of frequency are replaced after noun or pronoun that function as subject and before verb in the tense has only one verb. If there is more than one verb in the tense, or for example an auxiliary verb, the adverb of frequency can be placed before the main verb. Okay, and then for the always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. The adverb of frequency describes how often an action occurs. These adverbs are usually placed between an subject and the verb, but they can also be placed at the beginning or end of a tense of emphasis. For example, we have tense is Andy always drink milk in the morning. Okay. And then for the example of positive tense, number one is always. He always leave at 6 a.m. And then I have for often. We often play at the internet cafe on weeknight. Next I have usually. Usually is Revo usually goes with Mika. Okay, for the number 4 is sometime. For the I sometimes go to the lake to calm down. And 5 I have tense is I rarely eat spicy food. For the 6 I have I seldom listen to the radio. And then for the last I have tense is I never ate Kinder Joy. Okay, and then we have go to for example of negative tense. For the one is occasionally. We don't occasionally take the bus. And for the last I have for hardly ever is he hardly ever read a book. Okay, we go to the example of question. Number 1 is how often do you exercise? And number 2 is do you always eat breakfast? And the 3 is does he usually arrive on time? On the 4 is are they often busy on weekend? Okay, we next to the question with 5W and 1H. Okay, W number 1 is who usually makes breakfast in your family? And the second is what do you usually do on weekends? And the third, I have where do you frequently go to relax? For the fourth, I have when do you occasionally find time to read? For the fifth, I have why do you hardly ever skip your morning routine? And for the 1H is How often do you unexpectedly try new hobbies? Okay, there are, for example, adverb of frequency with 5W and 1H. Okay, we next to difference between adverb of frequency and simple present. Okay, the difference is adverb of frequency are often used to indicate routine or repeated activity. So they are often used the present simple tense if a tense has only one verb plus the adverb for frequency in the middle of the tense, so that it is positioned after the subject but before the verb. Okay, and for the summary of adverb of frequency in this time is the adverb of frequency is an adverb that describes how often an activity is done. In other words, the adverb shows how often a thing or event happen. Jadi adverb of frequency ini berfungsi untuk mendeskripsikan hal yang sering terjadi di satu peristiwa. Nah, contohnya itu seperti tadi ada always, often, every, usually, normally, and rarely. Okay, and for the last, I find down the reference in many websites. For the first, I find on the gingersoftware.com, and then I found it on f.co.id, flyhikeenglish.com, byju's.com, wallstreetenglish.co.id, english-academy.id, and for the last, I found this material of bobo.git.id. Oke, mungkin segitu saja pembahasan tentang adverb of frequency dari saya. Jika ada salah kata saya mohon maaf dan terima kasih.